Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Typeform, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin scaling with Typeform, start by creating an account on the Typeform website. Once logged in, access the dashboard to view your existing forms or to create a new one. Choose the Create Typeform option to get started. Select a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Design your form by adding questions that gather the data you require. Make use of the different question types, such as multiple choice, short text, or rating. Customize each question by adjusting the settings to improve user experience. Incorporate logic jumps to tailor the flow of questions based on user responses. Preview your Typeform to ensure everything functions as desired. Once satisfied, click on the Share button to distribute your Typeform. You can share via a direct link, embed it on your website, or distribute it through email campaigns. To analyze responses, navigate back to your dashboard and view the results section. Use the analytics tools to gain insights into user engagement and feedback. Consider integrating Typeform with other tools like Google Sheets for better data management. As you gather more responses, optimize your form based on feedback and performance metrics. Regularly update your forms to keep them relevant and engaging for users. With these steps, you'll effectively scale your efforts using Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.